Good morning, guys. Yeah, I wake up early in this beautiful sounds of waves. Mm, it's beautiful. It's really nice. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that guy, oh, nakapaa, oh, galing. I think I'm gonna come down in there. The birdie. The birdie is looking for food, I think. It's relaxing. Wala pa ang sun. Hindi pa lumalabas. I forgot to bring my blankets. Magandang magtambay dyan sa baba. Wow, wow, wow. Naupo ka lang dito, relax. Maya breakfast na. Ito magandang unwind. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Nakaka-relax. Ito lang. Upo ka lang. And watch the wave. And forget everything. Just breathe the fresh air and think nothing. Drink your coffee or your whatever beverage you like to drink and just relax. That's how you remove all the stress in your body and soul. Just watch the wave and hear that, not that sound, the music of the wave and the birds. Look how beautiful the birds are. They are free. Look. Ah, wow. Love it. Love it. Alright guys, peace out. Morning guys. Look at this. So beautiful. down in there early in the morning. I think I'm gonna run. It's beautiful in there. Oh, the moon's still up. Look, it's still there. So the sun must be coming out anytime soon. Alright, see ya. Hey guys, Edgar here, and we are live at Pismo Beach, California. Look at that view, it's amazing. Okay, so let's go down and let's look at that. Wow, this is awesome. There's a cave in here. I think, oh, right there. So we have to go down. Look, guys. I think that's the cave over there. Look at that. Wow. It's a beauty. Okay, let's go down there. Ayan ang hotel na pinag-iistihan namin. Right there. Seacrest, name of the hotel is Seacrest Hotel. That's it. Alright guys, let's go down. Like this, beautiful wild succulents. They're flowering. I have one of those in my box that I just picked up in the highway. Very nice. Succulents, wild succulents. I think I want to go there. Hi guys, Edgar here again, and I am here in this big rock in the middle of the beach. It is awesome. The view here is so amazing. So let's see the 360 of this. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Yeah, that's it. That's the beauty of it. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's take some pictures. See ya. Look at that view. So, andito ako sa big rock in the middle of this beach. And ang view dito ay napakaganda. Tanaw na tanaw ang buong beach dito sa rocks na to. Very cool. And you can hear that wave. It's very relaxing. This is Pismo Beach, guys. Very nice, very nice. See ya. Punta lang ako doon, guys. Alright guys, dito na tayo sa beach. Woo! Oh, it's cold. The beach is cold. Nasaan yung cave dito? I don't know where it is. But I'm here at the beach. Looks amazing. Water is very cold. Oh, look at the bird. Ooh. It's awesome! It's amazing! Wow, the water is very cold. Alright guys, we're gonna look for the camp and set up the tent, shelter tent. I got the shelter tent in my back, back, right there. Okay, see ya. Oh, so this is like a cave right here. Let's go in. This is the cave. I thought it's bigger, but I'm inside the rock already. Look at this. Alright. Let's explore.
Go up now. Let's go this way and climb that stairs in there. Look at this. It's beautiful. Very nice. Water is cold. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, look at this. Look. DJ must well, that DJ went here. He leave his signature. Okay. Oh, what is that? Okay, let's go down and oh, this is slippery. So we have to be very careful. Careful, careful. Okay. Oh, going up there. Can I go up there? Yeah, I think so. Okay. So, antayin natin mag-low tide. Tapos, ikot tayo doon. Ikot tayo doon. Papunta doon sa taas. I think. Ano yata yung kuweba eh. So, you can see in here what you can find in here. Okay, so I have to go that way. Right there. Have to, kailangan bumaba dyan. Medyo high tide. So, kailangan pumunta doon para makakita. Ito, go around. Kasi hindi ko matatalon tong ganito eh. Slippery siya, tapos medyo ang gap yung malaki. So, we have to go down over there. Yeah. Ayan na naman ang alon. Tataas na naman. Woo! May kuweba nga doon. May nakita akong tao. So, let's go. We can go around. And go up. Oh, look at this. So this is the cave. Oh, ito yung malaking cave. I found it. Yay! Cool. that's it. Oh, something is falling. So ito yung cave. Okay guys, nakita ko yung malaking cave. Ito yun. So ang daming nagsulat ng mga pangalan dito. I don't like to write my name in there. But I'm here. Daming nagsulat ng mga pangalan. Yan. It's so big. I don't wanna go inside. I don't wanna go inside because I'm here already. But may mga nalalaglag na malilit na bato eh. Baka biglang gumuho eh. Alright. At least I found it. I went here. Okay. Time to go up. See you guys. Alright. Now we have to go up in this way. Oh, is it dangerous? Oh, parang hindi na ginagamit tong na to, stairs na to. Delikado yata ito. So, I better not climb up. I have to go back in there. I think I need to go up now kasi tumataas na yung tubig. Look, ang tubig guys mapasok doon sa cave. So I think it's time for me to Escadados. Very nice. So that's the cave in Pismo Beach. So, papasok na yung pan. Lampas tuhod ko na yung tubig. So I think it's time for me to go up now. All right. Peace out.